Hello everyone, this is my latest project, this Nissan Note. Check it out. I've actually just vacuumed it so it doesn't look as horrendous as it was, but look at the grime on that. Oh dear me, this is gonna be a tough one. Best is yet to come. Check out the back. Oh man, I think if you had smell-o-vision, I'm telling you, you will not like the smell of that. There's only one thing, it's pet feces. Oof, right. This is gonna be a tough one, but I've got my extractor, got soap, so I'm gonna do, and I've got my this actually isn't a surface cleanser, this actually is, I've got to fill it up now. It's a D101, so it's like a cheaper version of that, or what everyone else, professionals use, the G101, but this is a D101 from Northern Laundry from eBay, I think it is. So I bought like, what was it? Oh no, 25 litres for 25 quid. And so I'm trying it out. So I'm gonna try it out on this. I'll let you know how it goes. So I'm gonna spray everything, then get my hot towel and brush, go over that, then use the drill brush. So I have to use the drill brush, this is like too severe, and definitely on the floor I'm gonna have to use it. The cloth here is quite hard, so the drill brush shouldn't cause any damage, but I'll go gentle on it. But yeah, that's the process I'm gonna get through. Because I'll be cleaning, I'll try and video me cleaning, but if I can't, I'll just show you the before and after and how long it's taken, but you get the idea. I'm going to do all of that. Once I've dampened all of that and given it a good once over with a drill brush, then come the extractor, my good old trusty rug doctor. So I'm going to use that as the final stage, and hopefully we can get her looking, maybe not back to brand new, but at least looking a lot better than the sorry state she is in right now. Here we go. So after a couple of hours, being a small car, that's how long it took, so not too bad, of deep extraction and cleaning, and of course I've dressed the interior, cleaned it, and used a mid-sheen finish. Look lovely there. The seats have come out nice, I would say about 85-90%, and the carpets have come out really nice. The picnic tables there have come out cleaned up lovely with the magic eraser, and the carpets, look at that. No more pet feces to be seen inside, and it smells nice and fresh. And the seats have come out relatively clean there, and again the front footwell, very pleased with that, and the dash has come out like new, so showroom fresh there. And look at that, lovely. Here come the before and after photos.